Alright, good afternoon, everyone. This is Trusted Emmanuel. Welcome to another episode. On this episode, I'm going to be your tutor and your friend. So, stay with me to the end, and I believe that you're going to be blessed. You're going to learn a lot from this episode. So, I've come to understand that many traders, many beginners traders, they don't really know how to place a trade on the MT5 trading app So I'm here to show you on how you can place a trade So to be able to place a trade well on the MetaTrader, you need to understand that there are two kinds of market order. There are two kinds of order. There are two kinds of order. We have the market order and we have the limit order. We have the market order and we have the limit order. So the market order is just an instruction you are giving. It's just you're giving an instruction, like you're clicking buy at the current market price. So if I decide to, let's say for example now, I decide to click buy here. Yes, so I'm already in the market, and that is market order. That's a bullish market order. As you can see now, the trade is already running. I can decide to tap it, and I can decide to close position at this down. I believe you can see this down here. It says close position, so I can decide to close the position right away. So that's a bullish market order. So it's still the same thing for a bearish market order. You just come to this left button here, written sell, then you click this sell. Immediately you are already in the trade. So basically this is how to do a market order. This is how to just place a trade while you probably want to enter the trade immediately. The trade is already at your zone. You want to enter the trade, you just go ahead to click buy or sell. You are already in the trade at the current market price. So there's another thing which is called the second type of order, which is called the limit order. The limit order is when you set your entry at a particular price or at any price you want. I don't know if you get. Is when you set your entry at a particular price or at any price you want. Let's say for example now your BTC is currently at 66,115, 14 thereabout $1,000. So let's say for example you want to buy, let's say for example, look at this red line now. Let's say for example you want to buy at exactly this level. That's let me use this tool. You want to buy at this level, that's 64,780. Watch the right hand side, the price there, 64,100 and 782.33 thousand cents. So if you want to buy at that level, so this is how you do it. You just set a limit order at that point. So you look at this by the right hand side. There's an icon there, just this guy here. You tap it and you draw it to the level you want to buy at. It's just the easy way to place trades on MetaTrader. You put it at that level, then this arrow here at the downside, you click it and you place a buy limit. It's as simple as that. So if price should return back to that level, it's going to put you in the trade. It's going to activate your trade. Let's say for example price should return back to this level. It's going to activate your trade and you are already in the trade. So it's still the same thing for for a bearish market order. Let's say, for example, I want to sell at BTC is currently at 66,000 and I want to sell at 68,000. So I will just do the same thing. I will click that guy and I will come to 68,000. I want to sell at 68,000. Then I'll click the arrow here and I'll place the trade. So this is just the basic simple way to place trade, but there's another way you can place trade on the MetaTrader trading app. You just go to this place here, your quotes. You go to your quotes, any asset you want to trade. Let's say, for example, you want to trade the Euro USD. Then you click on it, you see some stuffs there. You see new order, you see chart, you see properties and all of that. So you just click the new order because you want to place a trade. So on this place, you'll be seeing market execution, either buy or sell. Immediately you click it, you're already in the trade. You want to buy, you're already in the trade and the trade is currently running. So it's still the same thing with sell. You just go to your new order, you want to sell, you click sell and you are already in the trade. So this is basically how to place trades on the MetaTrader 5. So for limit order, using that second method, you go to the quote, then you click the assets you want to trade, the asset you want to trade, then you click on the new order, then you change this. You can change this from market order to limit order. So we have buy limit order and we have sell limit order. Let's say, for example, you want to buy at a discount price. You just come to this level here and you write down the price you want to buy at, and immediately you write it down. This place, okay, let's say, for example, what's the current price of, let's see the current price of Euro USD as of now. The current price of Euro USD is 1.16887. Let's say we want to buy at this price 1.115. So this is just what you will do. Now we want to place a limit order on Euro USD. You come to this place, then you click new order, then you go to the buy limits, you click it, then want to buy at 1.15 thousand. So you click place. Now your trade is already waiting for price to come tag you in, and that's just what it is. And immediately price gets to that point, you'll be tagged into the trade. So if you find this video helpful, please smash this subscribe button and like this video for more content. So God bless you, stay safe, stay safe.